Hey dolls, so you want to see what a Michigan winter looks like? This is a Michigan winter. Right, booby? That's how much snow we've got. The canal's completely frozen now. My dad makes little places so Papi can... Come on, booby, this way. So Papi can go potty. You can't go anywhere else. See, he made a little trail for him. Come on this way. I don't think he did it back here, though. He's snow blowing right now. And it's snowing right now. You probably can't see it. And, yeah, he didn't do it over here. Papi, you don't want to go in that crazy snow. You get lost. Are you nuts? Oh, yep, see, he just fell. Just go potty. The other day he was playing in the snow. It was so cute. Yep, so it's a... Look at that. All that snow. That's crazy. Like, what are you doing, booby? You got snow on your head. Let's go this way. Yeah, yesterday was a kind of hibernate day for me. The only time I came out was to take Papi out. And it was really bad yesterday. He didn't even want to come out here. He's got snow all over his head. He likes to play in the snow. The other day he was rubbing his whole body up against the wall of the snowbank. It's going to be really loud up here because my dad's got his snowblower going. But I just wanted to show you guys how crazy it is in Michigan. This is a real Michigan winter right here. We haven't had one like this in a while. Right, booby? Shake your head off, shake your head off. Yep, there's the snowblower going, see that? I got my new gloves on that I can use my touchscreen with outside so I could video record the craziness. Hopefully I don't drop it. Look at his head! Come on, this way! Papi! Our snowman snowed in. The snowman snowed in! Let's go on the trail. See, my dad made trails for him. He's so sweet to Booby, because that would cover Papi. If he wouldn't have done that, the snow would have covered him. But Papi's mad, because it's not trails to where he wants to go. See, he wants to go that way. Are you crazy? I'm not going that way. Shake your head off, Booby. Come here. No, we're not going that way. Come on, go potty. Come on. This way. This way. Good boy. He wants to go that way. Papi, it's too much for you. No, Booby, no. No. Wait. Let's see. Oh, there's the mailman. Okay, I guess we don't have any mail. Just totally turned around. Booby! You can't go that way! Oh, you're crazy. It's gonna cover you. Come on, get out of there. Come on. I guess we don't have any mail. Come on. Oh my God, he's nuts. He's... What are you doing, Booby? Are you cuckoo? Yeah, I think so. Go potty. I'm freezing. Look at all the snow flying in there. That's crazy, Papi. Good boy. Finally, some yellow snow. This way. Alright. Big snowbanks over there, over here. I could jump in that and it would cover me. Hold on, let him go pee. He's peeing! Okay. Come on. Sorry, guys. My dad's snow blowing. So the snow, like, goes like that. Come on. Papi, you can't go in the big snow. Are you done? You didn't even poo-poos. Okay, guys, well, that's the big Christmas snow. The big Michigan snow. My dad over there snow blowing. It's crazy. The mail lady didn't even bring us any mail. Okay, boo-boo. Woo! You guys see my breath? I'm not smoking right now, so that's just my breath from being outside. Okay, bye guys.